Hey, wouldn't you like to report more accurately on your HubSpot contacts? You are reporting on your HubSpot contacts, right? Right? Heh, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right. Now you can report more accurately on your contacts by editing their original source property.
And the clouds parted, and the angels came down, and there was much...
A contact's original source type gives you insight into how a contact first interacted with your website. They could have first come into contact with you through paid search or social, maybe organic search, direct traffic, and well, there's actually a number of other reasons and sources that they could have come through. One of these other sources is offline sources. One of the most common reasons why a contact would get tagged as originating from an offline source is if they were imported into HubSpot. That's fine if you're importing a list of people you met at a trade show, but what if you're switching from a different CRM to the HubSpot CRM and you need to import the entire contact database? Or what if you accidentally set an inaccurate UTM parameter?
Merchant tracking module.
Anyway, if you accidentally set an inaccurate UTM parameter within a tracking URL and contacts that click on that link were incorrectly tagged, now you'll be able to fix it. The original source property has always been a read-only property within HubSpot, and without the ability to edit this property, situations like this meant your reporting was, well, not 100% accurate within HubSpot, which really sucked. By letting you edit this property to a correct source type, you'll now have more control over your data and more accurate reporting within HubSpot, which is, by the way, something we all want. So how does it work? Well, nobody really knows how it... I'm just kidding. When looking up properties on a contact record, you'll now be able to edit the original source property as you see fit. You can also do this in bulk from the contacts dashboard or through a workflow. In addition, you can also import contacts and include original source information, updating new contacts in bulk as you add them in the HubSpot CRM. Pro tip, at this time, this does not extend to the original source drill down properties, but maybe in the future. This is now available to all users of the HubSpot CRM that have permissions to edit contact properties. Hey, do you like these updates? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That will take you to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Make sure while you're on the interwebs, you check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Hit the bells, the likes, the subscribes, everything so that we know that you're part of the community. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio and /video. That will get you right to our podcast where you can learn on the move and learn how you like to learn. Also, if you need to learn more past this update, check the links in the description below. That's what we do, 1 and 2 day workshops. Make sure you're checking out this new source functionality. Change the sources to what they need to be. Get better reporting, because if you got better reporting, you know that you'll be doing some happy HubSpotting.